Welcome to video 1 of the Microsoft Office Guide videos with Incredible Connection. I'm Rera and I'm here to show you how to unlock the full potential of your Microsoft Office suite in a few easy steps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office 365 on your PC. The first thing you need to do is head to the Incredible Connection online store and purchase Microsoft Office 365. Simply search for Office 365 in your site's search bar, add to your shopping cart, and check out. Once your payment has been processed, you'll receive an email of your Office 365 activation code. Next, head to the Microsoft account homepage and sign in. Alternatively, click on the link in the video description below, which will redirect you to the sign-in page. Now, you need to create yourself a Microsoft account. If you already own an account, simply sign in with your login details. If you don't already have an account, click the Create an Account link below. Once you've created an account, you'll receive an email containing your validation code. Use your code to activate your new Microsoft account. Confirm you're not a robot. Once you're logged into your Microsoft account, you'll be directed to the Accounts homepage. From the homepage, click on the Services and Subscriptions link in the menu. Select Enter your product key and Office 365. Confirm you're logged into the correct account. Now, enter the product key that was sent to your email address after your purchase from the Incredible Connection online store. Select if you'd like to be subscribed to Microsoft's newsletter and click Next to begin your download. Your Microsoft 365 install file will be stored in your Downloads folder. Once the download is completed, click to install. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for your software to install. Once installation is complete, all your applications will be ready to use. And that's it, Microsoft 365 has been installed. If you'd like to research and cite in Microsoft Word using the Microsoft Researcher tool, follow the link in the description below. See you soon!